Executive Chef. A big hand for him. And we are going to be tasting all his wonderful creations, which are actually a lot of them from her book. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call on the wonderful lady of the moment herself, the delivering, shimmering, beauty with brains. Let me have her on stage. Shipra, Master Chef Shipra Khanna. Big hand for her, please. She also needs no introduction, so I'm going to save the introduction for a little later after the book is launched. Because first we're going to request the great evergreen Padma Shri Cindy Kapoor to please take the mic from me and to say a few words and launch the book.
Thank you very much, Rashmi. Big round of applause for one and only Rashmi Singh.
I'm so sorry, we were very certain that I was certain I'd forgotten. But now I remembered. Maybe invite on stage Alyona Kapoor, please. Come on. She's meeting. No, that's fine. I forgot. Please come on. She's a director, organizer of his finances, of his many companies. She's his muse. She's his inspiration. And
So first and all, a big round of applause again for one and only Rashmi Singh, Hospitality Hope, Zindabad, right? And as she says that जहाँ भी शिप्रा होती है वहाँ पे हॉस्पिटैलिटी होप जो है ना एकदम ऊपर सब लोगों के बाद बहुत जल्दी पहुँच जाता है. Thank you Shipra for helping her always. And this young man here, Rohit Sangwan, is not only the executive chef of this hotel, he also is the area chef. मैं भूल जाता हूँ कितने होटल अब इसके अंदर, right? पिछली बार जब था कुछ ऐसे कितने पहले 8 से 4, 8, 32, I don't know, आप कितने हैं? 54 hotels are under him now. So he's not the executive chef for this hotel, he is the area chef for this company. Fantastic, yes, he is. And what can we say about one and only Shipra Khanna? अच्छा खन्ना जितने होते हैं ना बड़े अच्छे खूबसूरत से बनाते हैं. वो न्यूयॉर्क में बैठा हुआ है एक, देखो विकास खन्ना हमारा और ये शिप्रा खन्ना, सारे बड़े मतलब पैशनेट लोग होते हैं. And I have known Shipra from the first season of Master Chef, and she does not know this, but I had come in there and I spoke to the head of programming at that time, and this was mid-season. I don't know if you know Tanya Bami. Yeah, Tanya was there, and as I was leaving, I left a small slip in her hand. I said, "This is your winner," and it was her name. But it was not fixed. It never is. It was from what I could see, and then from there on, I'm very happy and glad that she became the lucky mascot for Food, and she did very good shows for us, many shows actually, but the one, अभी I was telling my mom कि अच्छा शिप्रा की बुक के लिए जा रहे हैं. अच्छा हाँ वो desserts और chocolate और वो coffee बड़े, the way she was saying, and she is 83-year-old. मैंने कहा वाह कमाल है. This is
किंग शर्मा यार अजय भाई क्या हुआ नीचे थोड़ा सेंटर में आ गया. अरे शांत रहो.
म्यूजिक बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. जिस दिन नौकरी छोड़ के हमने अपना काम शुरू किया ना, डोरमैन टू चेयरमैन सब आप उस दिन हो जाते हैं. Right? Anyone who was working and then they start their own work, तो सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. But this looks very good. इसको तो अगर नहीं बैठाएंगे तब भी अच्छा लगेगा.
the wonderful chef है करोगी. मैं कह रही मुंह मीठा करोगी. कब शिप्रा को मुंह मीठा करोगी. अच्छा. पहले आप. These are all from Shipra's book, Sinfully Yours, which is the great executive chef. Do you want to go there and take a photo? Go there in front. Go in front. No, you're getting covered. A big hand for Now, according to the event flow,
एक है गाड़ी पे इवेंट लो
he's also known as Prince Shafqat Ali.
Can I suggest one more photo? जितने लोग स्टेज वगैरह पे सब कॉपी एक लेके
Thank you.
Yeah.
Come.
That's
Thank you.
बैठ जा छोटे ये भाई गिम्बल ए गिम्बल
ए बैठ नीचे बैठ ए भाई
फुल मचा तुम बना के देना मेरे को
You can have this book.
सब
It's mine now.
ओके
हाँ अभी कौन सा
It's for everybody on stage. Our wonderful author, executive chef of 54.
They are really been friends, mentor, guide, everything that I would, want, especially in the same field of hospitality. You've been immense, you've been a guide also and a friend also. Like anything I seek out, Rashmi and Chef Sanjeev have always been there for me. I still remember my first camera was, we bought in New York and Chef Kapoor was instructing which one to take. And my first book was launched by Chef Kapoor and this is my 9th cookbook. So he's always been kind and very, very humble. That's what makes both of them what they are. They're amazing. And especially about the book, my 8th book was on health. I wrote during lockdown. It was totally on how to, kind of boost your immunity, how can you feel better, eat better, think about your food that you're eating, just be more mindful about eating and all that. And obviously in India, most of us, we don't really care about healthy food. We think it's boring. And I wanted to change it with that book. But then I started working on my 9th cookbook, which was Sinfully Yours. And I thought, why not healthy desserts? So that's how the idea came. It has very different, very beautiful, interesting recipes. You will see it being served today also. All the desserts are from the cookbook. So please enjoy it. And obviously the unsung heroes, the people, unfortunately, who's the publisher, they're not here. But the entire team, myself, we have worked really, really, really hard. So please do have a look at the cookbook. Each and every recipe has been thought over. We worked on it over 2 years, to get this book out, and it's truly, really, really close to my heart. And thank you so much. And I'm so glad and thankful to all of you to be a part of it. As you can see, it's a very exclusive event. We just wanted to keep, people who would enjoy food and who we want to share it with to be here, and all of you are here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. So wonderful to see so many food.
In the cookbooks, when I pick up a book, I try one recipe out of it and then see will the book work continuously, the rest of the recipes will work. Otherwise it goes in a shell. So when she sent me the book, I said, okay, we'll make 4 or 5 recipes out of it. And what you see outside is first try for all those recipes. So you can be sure of the recipe. And they are very, very, very simple and nice to make. And like a simple thing like a oat cupcake or oat muffin worked the very first time. You don't have to change the recipe in India because most of the pastry books what we get from abroad, we have to change the content of the flour, we have to change which butter to use, change the moisture content. In this book you don't need to worry about that, you can go straight away and start cooking from it.
Thank you, Shiv. Thank you. Actually, that was the idea, and like hearing the compliment from the Patesia himself is really, really a big compliment because I think I started cooking from home. So, and then I got into a professional field. So for me, it means a lot because whatever recipes also I'm making, I try to make it really concise and for everybody to follow. Basic idea is that even if you're not a chef or if you're not a cook or you don't like cooking, you can still save the day with simple yet amazing recipes or simplify a lot of recipes. And yes, if you see like English desserts or Western dessert, it will always be in measurements which is on Western standard. But I've just made it, it's very easy for you people, for all of us in India to cook from this book.
Absolutely agree with you. Beautiful people on stage.
मुझे छाप दोगे क्या आज?
Sanjot,
मेरे को
where is the beautiful pile of
Actually, I
yours?
have a question to Chef Kapoor. And I really want to know, everything that you do and who you are, it really inspires me. And what inspires you to, just work relentlessly, I would say?
Actually, I don't think that I work. I only do things. I only say yes to things that I enjoy. And that's been the case forever. That's been the case forever. There's never a time that I had to do something. So as long as you find things that you want to do, then there's no pressure. So it's not about, actually we complicate life too much. We think कि कुछ किसी की inspiration होनी चाहिए, कोई ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, कहीं से सूरज निकलना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं. Live life in a simple way. It's not very complicated. Enjoy most of the things. Don't overthink and do the right thing. Values are very. अच्छे अगर आप इंसान बन जाओगे ना, तो काम वाम तो अपने आप होता रहता है.
I thought when I asked you inspiration, you would say Arjuna.
No trouble. So okay.
I just love, the chemistry they have and how they're together, and it's really inspiring.
Yeah. So उसके अंदर अच्छा इंसान बोला मैंने ना,
हाँ.
तो अच्छा इंसान बनने की सीख लेता हूँ.
Very good.
Which I am.
Also, does anybody know he's also a great drummer?
Yes.
Musician, drummer, I don't know what else he does.
कुछ नहीं कर रहा बस एक्चुअली अभी कल क्लास मिस हो गई शुरू कर दी तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ गिटार सीखूंगा वो नहीं सीखा सो आई हैड पिछले महीने सुबह एक गिटार गिफ्ट में आ गया नोट देखा तो बमन ईरानी जी ने वो गिटार भेजा सो वी हैड गिवन आवर गिटार टू हिम ड्यूरिंग कोविड कुछ एक था हमारा वी डूइंग सम फंड रेजिंग एंड ही सेड मेरा गिटार टूट गया सो मैं कहा मैं भेज रहा हूँ सो आई हैड one with me. So he sent a new one last month, so I have to now start to learn.
Do you sing also?
What is this?
Yes.
Yeah, so actually, no, we have a band. We have a full-fledged band. And we do shows. Last we did was with Shankar Mahadevan. That was in Nagpur.
Why did you get it?
Actually, it was a fundraiser. ये अगली बार के लिए कमिटमेंट ले रहा हूँ. It was so we raised about 3.5 crores that evening in Nagpur. Yeah, so that was for Akshay Patra. So I do this regularly. So we did a show with Shankar. We are doing one more with Shankar and Hariharan very soon.
Fabulous. All the world is, like I say, like the world is just a cocoon and just make it whatever. It's your oyster. Just do whatever you want. And I think this is very inspiring for all of us, especially related to food and like this non-stop. I think that's what life is also all about.
अच्छा ये थोड़ा सा मैं एक वो चीज़ कर देता हूँ because सबने की hot kitchen, cold kitchen, ये वो थोड़ा सा because chef साथ में है तो I'm sure he is so chef is a great big he's a great chef we all know, but from his heart he's not a patisserie guy, he's a baker. Is that correct, chef? He's a baker. So there are departments जो होते हैं, so उसमें bakery होता है, patisserie होता है, both are different. So baking is, and I remember many years ago, the way Ranveer Barar was explaining, he says, sir, night shift में हम लोग होते थे, तो Sango, he's not Rohit, he's Sango. He says, sir, Sango के हाथ में ना sir वो जो डो है ना वो ऐसे फ्लो करता था सर इट्स म्यूजिकल टू इट वाज अ ट्रीट टू वॉच हिम सो आई हैव बीन लकी दैट आई हैव बीन इन किचन विद हिम इन दिस होटल्स किचन विद हिम सो आई हैव बीन लकी टू सी हिम आई मस्ट टेल यू ये मैं हॉल आज बड़े दिनों बाद देख रहा हूँ करीब ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू 2 years the whole area this whole place was converted into a dessert place. What he did for my daughter's wedding, I can't even tell you. मतलब मीठे 4 हॉल तो बताए मीठे के थे. No, yeah, this was one. Yeah, this room. So it's there. Yeah. So जब मुझे पता चला कि Salsette में है, मैंने oh I know. That's his sweet.
I think that is one point. You know, I think a good chef, he is a good person also. It's just automatic. You know, especially like during this whole setup when I was talking like to Chef Rohit, I was like, Chef, please speak with me first thing in the morning because my day goes so well. He speaks so beautifully and he's really kind and sweet. Baking is brilliant.
Thank you, thank you.
Baking is brilliant. Does anybody want to ask any questions? Okay, may I bring the mic to you?
I have a question for Chef Sanjeev. What was your inspiration for Sham Savera, Chef?
Okay, what was the inspiration for Sham Savera? Actually, that was the time. It was not. I did not think it for TV, क्योंकि वो last minute shoot किया था हमने. It was not planned. There was nothing that was there. I just was called. I had just reached the hotel. I was like him. I was executive chef of a hotel, large hotel. And I get a call from our producer director then, who's a big filmmaker now, Hansal Mehta. He wanted me to film because somebody who was to film had not turned up. And so I reached there. So मैंने ingredients देखे and because there was no plan what to shoot. उसी वक्त उससे कुछ टाइम पहले we were planning. There used to be a magazine, the only food magazine back then, Cuisine करके एक magazine होती थी. And I had returned from New Zealand. I had just returned from New Zealand. So I was working on plated Indian food. So क्या मतलब to find white plates was difficult. सब मतलब printed वाली होती थी. Border ऐसे होता था. So it was a big challenge to do that. So I had और उस समय they wanted to do Independence Day special. So it was Independence Day special plated dish. So I did palak paneer into a kofta, into a makhni gravy. So it was a plated thing, which they had done it with many chefs all across India. That was the center spread then. तो मेरे दिमाग को वैसे ही था कि अभी कुछ तो टीवी के लिए करना है. So I just created that. So that is the background story of Sham Savera, first dish for TV.
Legendary Sham Savera. Big hand for him, please. The mic over there, please. Let me have your name, please, before you ask any questions.
Hello, my name is Asmita Bharti. I'm a visual effects producer as well as a blogger. So happy to be here. First of all, congratulations, everyone. I have a small questions for everyone on the stage. Which is your favorite dessert, if you can share?
No, I love sweet. Oh, Love sweet, you know that. अभी इन्होंने मुझे बात की, मुझे दे दी, कहते सर इसमें ये जो मीठा नहीं है, मैं फिर क्या फायदा करना? There is no, yeah. So मेरा favorite ना बहुत मतलब बेकार क्वेश्चन होता है favorite पूछना। जब आपको सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है, रेवड़ी भी अच्छी लगती है, रसमलाई भी अच्छी लगती है, तिरामिसू भी अच्छा लगता है, इतनी बढ़िया चॉकलेट कमाल की थी बीच में। Very very good. So for me जो मिल जाए, पंजाबी जी कहते हैं संतान की स्वादा नाल सने मलाई आन दे।
You're not going to get a straight answer.
But this is the honest truth. This is the honest truth. मुझे कुल्फी भी अच्छी लगती है, आइसक्रीम भी अच्छी लगती है, चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम भी अच्छी लगती है, जैकफ्रूट आइसक्रीम भी अच्छी लगती है। मतलब क्या मैं बोलूँ, मतलब मेरी प्रॉब्लम है। जलेबी, oh I love it, love it। रबड़ी तो मतलब मैं कह रहा हूँ ना मेरी प्रॉब्लम है ये। अभी क्या मैं बोलूँ?
Actually, it's you have to redirect the question because जिन लोगों को dessert पसंद है, उसमें choice नहीं होता। You like everything.
Correct.
It's never like this over that. It's like it's.
पहले कौन सा फिर बाद में कौन सा ऐसे होता है।
सब डालो उसके बाद देखते हैं। Yes, you have to enjoy the desserts. Absolutely.
Can I ask one very quick small question?
अच्छा नहीं, ये मैंने ही सिर्फ सवाल का जवाब क्यों दिया, ये क्यों?
Because you are the best one to
नहीं, आपके लिए आप बताओ।
Our most favorite ever in the whole world is dark chocolate mousse. Oh no, sorry. She's not here. Hello. She said, I thought you said me. I've been telling her, and I'm sure this is slightly off track. I've been telling her for the longest time, including when I met her in Spain, she should start acting in Bollywood. Hello, madam. In Bollywood and Hollywood. Does everybody agree with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
And
See here. There you are. So, hello, Karan, are you there? So mine is dark chocolate, okay, in any form, mousse, anything, okay, but it has, yeah, anything. It has to be 90% in the world. And I'm very clear that I absolutely love dark chocolate.
Basically, she does not like sweets.
I love sweets, I love
90% वाले में तो कुछ नहीं है।
No, but
There's zero, कोई sweet
No,
नहीं
no,
है।
she loves dark chocolate, but she can eat anything.
yeah, I eat everything. I'm very tired. My doctors are angry with me. Gosh, chef's croissants are to die for, especially pain au chocolat.
Pain de chocolat.
No, I've already said I like all the desserts. It's difficult for me to do one. It's you are a patisserie chef. You have to tell us. That's actually his question. You know, the question is for him.
So, I'll say I like everything that is there, but whenever I'm going to one place or if somebody is going to one place, so the next place I will tell him, get this for me from there, get this from me. The girl is right there, the one there, she was going for a graduation. I said, वो आटे वाले बिस्किट लेके आना डेली से. So I eat, so that you can see from my size.
शेफ
who
आपको
eats
देख के लगता तो नहीं है कि आप कुछ खाते हैं।
Thank you so much.
Any other questions? Any other things? Just say your name a little bit so we get to know you.
So good evening, everyone. My name is Tejan. My question for today is for Chef Shivram. So as Lakshmiman rightly mentioned that not only do you create sinful desserts, you look and you always feel fabulous. And the inspiration behind your book has been healthy desserts. So not just in terms of cooking, but in your daily life, what takes you to strike the balance between fitness and desserts, because you know they are sort of on the opposite end of the spectrum. So what moves you every day to go after your passion for desserts while being fit?
Okay, yeah, definitely. That's a nice question. Actually, I am, I think life for all of us as humankind is to strike a balance. Right? And I am a believer of balance. So whenever I have more dessert, which I love desserts, and I just spend half an hour maybe extra in the gym to burn it, or just count calories and then kind of boring food, then what's the point? So if you should enjoy life, not cut down on
I can answer for Shipra. I'm a aunt. She's my brother's daughter. She is a foodie. She had lunch with me. She had chenne bhature. Then she had royal faluda with me. She is real with lacha paratha. Then she's had who are very nice, a very nice army and all. She is a foodie. She eats, but she goes to gym and she takes care of that. She really balances out the food.
Yeah, but she walks the dog. I mean, you can see.
Yeah, I know. She maintains also, but she's a foodie.
Amazing. Any other questions before? Okay. Mic for her, please.
वहाँ पे जो ओनर होते थे वही सब कुछ बनाते थे और वो वहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ मिठाई होती थी, वहाँ पे छोले भटूरे भी थे, डोसा भी होता था। दिल्ली में उसमें नारियल नहीं मिलता था फ्रेश, राइट? तो डोसे के साथ जो चटनी होती थी वो भुने हुए चने की दाल की चटनी हुआ करती थी। तो हमारे लिए वो शेफ का मतलब तो हमें पता ही नहीं था ना, कभी हम किसी होटल में गए थे, कभी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, तो हमें पता नहीं था कि शेफ कौन होता है, क्या है। बट इट वाज आई थिंक कि कुछ अलग करना है, बट ये पक्का था कि जो कुछ करूँगा अच्छे से करूँगा, ये गारंटी थी।
Thank you so much for your answer, sir. One last
ऐसे तो बहुत सारी चीजें की। अच्छा कहिए और क्या क्या? नहीं, पढ़ाई लिखाई में मुझे अभी बहुत शौक है। सो व्हेन आई वाज शेफ में था होटल में, दिस वाज बहुत सारे लोग पैदा भी नहीं हुए होंगे तब। सो 1992-93 जब जी टीवी में खाना बनाना शुरू हुआ था। So I used to come on my bike from home to the hotel. रास्ते में देखता था मैं नरसी मुंजी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज, एंड आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि मतलब मैं at 28 I had become executive chef, corporate chef बनने वाला था उस समय में। I was awarded best executive chef of the country at that age. मैंने कहा अब इसके बाद में क्या करेंगे? इसके बाद में कुछ और तो, ये तो टीवी अगर नहीं आता तो मुझे मैं बाहर हो जाता शायद। मैंने कहा कुछ तो करेंगे, तो then I joined Masters in Marketing Management from NMIMS. Because he said कि और क्या कैसे बहुत सारी चीजें करने का मजा आता है।
Basically, he's a true example of जाना था जापान पहुंच गए चीन।
अच्छा ये कौन कह रहा है? इनकम टैक्स की कमिश्नर कह रही है, है ना? ये इनकम टैक्स की कमिश्नर कह रही है मुझे। So she's a brilliant, comes from a family of lawyers. इनके brother, दो brothers Amit and Rajiv, Ms. Rajiv, very eminent lawyers. She herself was Indian Revenue Services में थी, पता नहीं कहाँ पे खाना वाने के कहाँ आ गई है ना?
You know, I have to tell you this. When I was in the income tax department, Shekhar Suman interviewed me more than Shekhar. I just left the income tax and reading about food. He said, "Batao, what is the similarity between, hello, you have answered this. What is the similarity between an income tax commissioner and a food writer?" I said, "I don't know." Bolo, bolo. I said, "I don't know." What did he say? He said, "दोनों कहते हैं कुछ खिलाओ."
दोनों खाते हैं।
No. Okay, let's call. Okay, so before we call the birthday boy on stage to cut this wonderful cake with this wonderful chef has got for him, I would like to just make one quick announcement. There's some magnificent food outside, a lot of it from her book, a lot which he made himself with great love, and her wonderful books are also outside on sale. We can get them autographed right now, right here, and please get them soon, and let's have Shafqat on stage, please. Prince Shafqat Ali. Actually, his birthday today, huh? Yes. We didn't make it up. Wait, we need a lighter. We need a lighter here. You go next to him. Who's going to sing?
The princess has to be next.
ये फोन तो अभिषेक को बोलो।
भाभी आप आइए। Aliona, please. Please, it's going to be incomplete without you.
Princess Aliona.
Write your name on this.
Let me teach you.
हाँ तो ठीक है। अभिषेक को जाओ। चलो मत जाओ, क्या करोगे?
Guys, you have no idea what's happening here. The three great chefs are trying to pipe the name Shafqat on the cake. And now they put him in a spot, bichara. If it's bad, it's his fault. Shafqat, if it's bad, it's your fault. Yeah, it's signature. Yeah. Well done, touche. Touche. अपना केक काटो, अपना केक बनाओ. चलो, चैंपियन. Happy birthday.
जी सिंफुली योर्स मेरी 9वीं किताब है और ये किताब डिज़र्ट्स के ऊपर है, यानी कि हम मीठा बना रहे हैं लेकिन कुछ हेल्दी, और इसकी इंस्पिरेशन हेल्थ से ही आई। आफ्टर पैंडमिक मुझे लगा कि अगर हम हेल्दी खाना, जो मेरी 8th बुक थी हेल्थ अनलिमिटेड, उसको काफ़ी सराहना मिली और मुझे लगा कि क्यों ना हम हेल्दी डिज़र्ट्स भी बनाएं, क्योंकि सिंफुली योर्स एक मेरी किताब पहले भी थी और वो इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड जीत चुकी है, और इसीलिए मुझे लगा कि वाई नॉट डू समथिंग डिफरेंट और इसको एक अलग तरीके से बहुत सिंप्लीफाई करके रेसिपीज़, सबके लिए कोई रेसिपी हो, ऐसी किताब बनाई जाए।
सचिन जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? लोग आज स्वीट से दूर हो रहे हैं बिकॉज खाना पसंद नहीं करते, डायबिटीज है, तमाम चीज़ें, और उस पर
बहुत बहुत अच्छा सवाल है कि लोग मीठे से दूर भाग रहे हैं, तो फिर ऐसे में ये पुस्तक की क्या ज़रूरत है। एक्चुअली डेटा ये कहता है कि हमारे यहाँ जो स्वीट कंजम्पशन है वो बढ़ रही है, और सबसे बढ़िया बात यह है कि अगर आप शिप्रा की फ़िलॉसफी को बिलीव करें तो आप उसको फॉलो करेंगे तो अच्छा खाना खाने से वज़न नहीं बढ़ता, मोटापा अच्छा खाना खाने से नहीं बढ़ता, ख़राब लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से होता है। अगर आप अपना सब कुछ खा सकते हैं, आप अगर एक्टिविटी अच्छी रखेंगे, आप अपना ख्याल रखेंगे, आप स्ट्रेस नहीं लेंगे, तो नेचुरली कुछ भी खा सकते हैं। तो ऐसे में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो अपना ख्याल रखते हैं और अच्छा खाना खाना चाहते हैं, तो उनको सज़ा नहीं मिलनी चाहिए अच्छा खाना खाने की। तो ऐसे में सिंफुली योर्स मेक सेंस।
शिप्रा, आप कितना एंजॉय करते हैं मीठा स्वीट खाना? या
मुझे अगर
पोस्टर में हम लोग देख रहे हैं केक,
हाँ जी, कि अगर मुझे खाना नहीं भी मिलता तो मुझे चलेगा, लेकिन मीठा ज़रूर चाहिए। और हर मील के बाद मीठा कुछ तो होना ही चाहिए। तो हमारा वो 3 कोर्स तो हो ही जाता है, कुछ आप स्नैक खाएंगे, मेन कोर्स खाएंगे और डिज़र्ट ज़रूरी है। तो हम इनफैक्ट कई बार खाना भी जो हमारी मील है डिज़र्ट से शुरू करते हैं पहले मीठा खाएंगे।
एब्सोल्युटली। इनकी जो किताब है, जो पुस्तक है, कुकबुक है, इसका पॉइंट यही है कि आप मीठा खाओ भी और डोंट इवन सफ़र विद इट। सिंपली तो बोला इन्होंने, बट एक्चुअली इट्स हेल्थी मीठा। इट डजंट साउंड दैट टू ऑपोजिट्स आर सिटिंग टुगेदर, बट दैट इज़ द होल पॉइंट ऑफ अ बुक कि आप मीठा खाओ और मज़े बनाओ। That's the whole thing. And I studied the book before writing the foreword, and it's really बहुत ही मज़ेदार किताब है। अब खाओ भी और मज़े भी करो। That is the important thing.
खासियत इस बुक की ये है जी, इस बुक की खासियत सिंफुली योर्स की खासियत ये है कि इसमें स्वादिष्ट खाना, स्वादिष्ट डिज़र्ट यानी कि मीठा, और साथ में वो हेल्दी भी है। तो हेल्दी भी है, मीठा भी है, ज़िंदगी एंजॉय करने के लिए है, ज़िंदगी रुक रुक के या टुकड़ों में जीने के लिए नहीं है, पूरा अच्छे से खाने के लिए है। और ये किताब एक सेलिब्रेशन है टू ऑल द लिटरेचर, टू ऑल द शेफ्स जो खाना बनाते हैं सब लोगों के लिए, ताकि वो बनाएं घर पे होममेड डिज़र्ट्स एंजॉय करें। देखिए, कहा जाता है कि सिन यानी कि एक पाप, कहते हैं मीठा खाना पाप है अगर ज़्यादा खा लें, तो हम कहते हैं थोड़ा सा सिन करिए, ताकि थोड़ा सा करिए तभी इसका नाम है सिनफुली योर्स।
ये किताब है एंड इट इज़ रियली ट्रूली अ ट्रेजर, क्यों इसमें आप मीठा भी खाओ और मज़े भी बनाओ। ये बिल्कुल टैक्स है इसमें। तो टैक्स ये है दैट यू हैव टू लर्न टू कुक प्रॉपर्ली, और इनसे सीखना चाहिए, इनसे सीखना।
एक्चुअली बुक्स के ऊपर टैक्स नहीं है। बुक्स
सीरियसली
ये टैक्स वाली है, इसलिए पूछ रहे थे इनसे सवाल आपसे। बट एक्चुअली देयर इज़ मतलब पहले नहीं होता था, मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या है।
अभी भी टैक्स नहीं है, डिस्काउंट चल रहा है और यहाँ पे बहुत मीठा है जो किताब से ही हमने बना के सब लोगों के लिए, जहाँ जो आज यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं उनके लिए हमने इसी किताब में से कुछ जो मीठा है, काफ़ी सारी 7-8 डिशेस आप सबके लिए रखी हैं, ताकि आप खा भी सकें, किताब भी खरीद सकें और मीठे का मज़ा भी उठा सकें, सेहत का भी मज़ा उठा सकें।
भी हैं।
थैंक यू।